Welcome back to my channel Features of World. Why do ocean waves form? There's hardly anyone who hasn't seen the sea. For many of us, visiting the beach and relaxing there has become a favorite pastime. What makes the sea especially fascinating is the sight and sound of waves crashing onto the shore. But have you ever wondered, why do these waves form? And why don't we see the same kind of waves in rivers or lakes? Let's explore. We do sometimes see waves in rivers and lakes, especially during windy weather. As the wind picks up, it disturbs the surface of the water and forms small waves. When the wind dies down, these waves calm down too. However, the large, powerful tidal waves that are common in the ocean are rarely seen in rivers or lakes. Why is that? To understand this, let's look at the Earth. More than 2/3 of it is covered by water. Surrounding it is the atmosphere, full of moving air. Due to differences in temperature, this air moves from one place to another. This movement is what we call wind. When strong winds blow over the vast surface of the ocean, they push the water, sometimes over thousands of miles. This forms large ocean waves. Such waves require a lot of space to develop, and oceans provide that space. That's why these waves form only in wide, open water bodies. Once ocean waves are formed, they can travel across half the globe, even without continuous wind. As they reach the shore and the sea becomes shallower, the waves grow taller and eventually crash onto the beach. Interestingly, if you observe carefully, you'll see that the water below doesn't actually travel with the wave. Instead, the water particles move in a circular motion, simply rising and falling. This rolling effect is caused by the friction between the wind and the sea surface. As waves approach land, their bottom parts touch the seafloor. This causes the waves to slow down and break or tumble over. Large waves break even far from shore because their base hits the ocean floor early, while smaller waves only break when they get close to the beach. The height and power of ocean waves depend on three main factors. 1. The strength of the wind. 2. The duration of the wind. 3. The distance the wind travels across the water surface, called fetch. The greater these factors, the larger and stronger the waves. Sometimes, if a wave becomes taller than 1/7 of its wavelength due to strong winds, it becomes unstable and tumbles even in the open sea. Waves can also form due to the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun, causing tides. And during underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions, massive waves called tsunamis can be generated.